Bartenders Battle. We have 4 sets of celebrity bartenders from Boca Raton that are working shamelessly hard to extract as much money as possible out of our wallets to raise money for the Unicorn Children's Foundation. And you know what? I'm thirsty. I'm here with Gregory and Marcy. You are the Warriors of Neurodiversity because that's what tonight is all about, correct?
Correct. So tonight is the 3rd annual Bartenders Battle for the Unicorn Children's Foundation. Tonight we have 4 teams that are celebrities in Boca Raton, and they're going to be battling, making drinks for money, which is going to turn around to support programs for the foundation.
So if it wasn't for your foundation and events like tonight, where would these children that do suffer from the different learning disabilities and things like that, where would they be?
Well, actually they'd be nowhere, and this is what we do. We don't raise money for why these children's neurodiversities happen. We raise money for programs so that they can be tested. They can find out services both for parents and children. And although we have the Unicorn Village Academy, which is a private high school, we're giving them the education that they need, but it's what happens after they graduate. We give them all this knowledge, and then from there, it's a major drop. So we're working very hard with other businesses in town, Walgreens, CVS, so that they can either be greeters, stock shelves, because they do deserve a chance in this world. The biggest thing that we need to do is create a different type of vision that people like ourselves look through their eyes, and once we can see how they look at the world, then we're going to be able to help them even better.
I'm here with Sharon Alexander. You're the Executive Director of Unicorn Children's Foundation, and this is all because of you and your team, right?
Yeah, it's our team, and we also have a large group of volunteers who help us out. Without them, we couldn't make this happen.
Why did you get involved with the Unicorn Children's Foundation?
I was actually a child development specialist prior to joining Unicorn, and it broke my heart when I had families who came to me with children who had special needs, and the one thing that prevented them from accessing effective interventions was financial reasons. So by joining the foundation, I am now able to lend my expertise to families and help guide them and connect them to resources.
And with your efforts, they were able to open a high school, right, in Boca Raton for these children.
Yeah, so one of the things, the foundation is really an umbrella type organization where we identify certain gaps and barriers of services within the community and figure out how to fill those voids. One of the things we realized 4 years ago was that high school students and young adults really didn't have a lot of opportunities or services available. So we came together and we started doing fundraising events. We opened our doors. This is our 4th year of operation. Within that time, we've had 3 graduates from our program. 2 have been offered full-time jobs, and the 3rd is now at college in Boston, which is really unheard of to have 100% of students with special needs being able to move on to some type of post-secondary program.
And I love the crowd's a young crowd, right?
It is a young crowd. You know, we're looking at 1 in 6 children who are diagnosed by some form of neurodevelopmental disorder. So, by focusing on the younger crowd, we're looking at the parents-to-be or the current parents and really making sure that they don't experience what our founder did. You know, our founder knew that there was something wrong with his son, but it took 2 years for him to get a diagnosis, and they lost that valuable intervention. So we can make our families aware at the early onset, or even before they even think about having children, then we can really help improve the prognosis of these kids.
I'm here with Joey Januzzi. You're the owner of Farmer's Table here in Boca Raton. Quite an event you have going on here tonight. Why did you decide to partner and help out Unicorn Children's Foundation?
Well, it's a great charity, and Greg and Marianne, I will do anything for them. They're amazing people.
You've donated food, drinks, everything, right?
Whatever they need, and the object here is to raise as much money as we can for the Unicorn Children's Foundation.
You opened in 2013, and I feel like everywhere I go, I see farmers' tables, signage on different events. You have just immersed yourself in Boca Raton.
Well, when we opened, the main reason we opened the restaurant is we wanted to be a positive impact on the community. So what better way to do that than with healthy food, an environment where health and well-being is on the forefront, and we have these great spaces where we can host charity events and raise money for good causes.
We are bartending for a great cause for the Unicorn, and it is such an incredible foundation for children with neurodiversity, and we are just here being cool as ever, being cool like the Bond Girls, and our mission is to make this world a much better place for the future and for the children.
Well, the Unicorn Children's Foundation speaks to my heart because I too have a son with autism. So because it's something that's personal to me, I feel empowered to become an advocate for those special needs children within our community. And if I can lend a little bit of my celebrity to help the kids, why not?
So, with your child having autism, if it wasn't for the Unicorn Children's Foundation and other groups that are helping your child succeed, where would he be?
He would be, again, I go back to the word of empowerment. You know, as an individual, as human beings, we all want to feel empowered and that we have a voice in the world. And with organizations like this, it gives our kids who may be limited with verbal or physical, disabilities, they can still feel empowered and feel like their voice is heard and they can contribute to society.
I have money! I have money! Okay, but I'd like to be an interactive customer. How are you tonight?
Doing great, doing great.
That's really full.
Yes.
I'm about to make it a little more full.
Oh, please.
Yeah, so tell me about what you're serving tonight.
All right, well, we just have some wine and beer, red, white, the normal, and we're serving our specialty drink for the evening, which is a special kind of Cosmo.
Where's your partner in crime? Oh, I see. He's dancing with a wine bottle. Come over here. Come over here.
Trying to get everyone excited.
Yeah, he's excited. So you guys are reigning champs.
Yes.
What does it feel to be a reigning champ celebrity bartender?
It's awesome.
Do you hope you continue the reign tonight?
We are definitely going to continue the reign tonight.
And even if we don't, as long as we all raise a lot of money as a group, I think we're all happy.
Competition isn't bad, though.
Oh, absolutely. I'm very competitive now. How did you get involved with this organization?
I got involved a few years ago. I'm actually on the board, and met Sarah through the board, and it's a great charity, and I'm happy to be part of it.
Okay, so I'm going to put my money in here,
Yes.
and I'm going to drink up. Now, if you want to get involved with all the fun and raise money for a good cause, head over to unicornchildrensfoundation.org. For IL South Florida, I'm Rachel Lee.